Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. Are you looking on the screen? Is about today's trade. Now the time is 10:30. So already the trade is finished and today is the expiry day. So we don't want to take a huge risk. I took one Bank Nifty for a simple trade where I made 1,200 rupees profit, where I bought a 39,200 call option which I exited around 188. My entry price is around 138. So there I booked, and again another trade in stock option. So that I booked it around 6,300. Profit in BHEL options is quick scalping kind of trade. I'm not waiting for a much more time for this trade. I simply entered, and within a 5-10 minutes it reaches my target. And another stock we focused around LNTFH, LNT Finance Holding, and that I'm not able to buy it when it went up huge. And BHL also I'm trying to buy 55 call option nearby 4.6, and after that it went up to 6.3, but I cannot able to buy it because it's very quick. And RBL also in my radar, but RBL was in a ban period today, so we cannot able to buy. Only those who are holding the positions, they can only square up the positions. It's finally in ban, so we cannot. But RBL it increased almost 30% within 2-3 days. That is what that stock also was in my radar in advanced option strategy. That we booked out earlier. We booked out a profit, no problem. When we get our target, we are exiting from the trade. It's like a best way to make money. So here today's trade, which I done in BHEL, is around 6,300. It's not a small profit, it's a good profit, where we made 6,300 around 30,000 investment. It's almost 20% we made a profit. Okay, so everyone who are interested to what was the logic, how I take the positions, so that you are waiting for it, right? So that I'm going to discuss in this video. So don't skip the video and watch the video fully. You will be getting understand that concept, right? So let me go for some stocks which I'm going to show you. Let's say the McDowell. Let's look at the chart, how it is moved. Almost looks like it moves like, you got this, 45 degree. A straight line it moved. Even it may continue. It's a real market. I'm recording the video. Even it's have the chance, even it can move up higher and higher from the beginning where it is started at this point. And look the stock where it will keep on going up. So I think my expectation is even going better. There is a buying opportunities in the stock, but I'm not interested to do the trade today. And I finished my trade already because it is a expiry day. Everything anything can happen, but that's why on safety purpose I was doing a trade in September contract. I'm not taking a trade in August. I'm focusing my contract here. After my trade should be in September. So look at this, how the stock is performed. Almost looks like a straight line where the stock is increased. Even not about today. Let's say from here, look this straight line. So very rare. You can see, you cannot able to see such a kind of movement in a stock. Even LNTFH today, you see there is a start from the day where the stock started moving from here and there, and it went up higher. So no movement, so no down on the stock, completely moving higher, went up higher and higher. Let's look at this kind of charts. Even today in BHEL, let's look at this in BHEL, how it is moved today. That I booked a profit. Let's look at this. from straight how the stock is moving like this, or how to find out a stock which moving like this, or some other stocks. Let's look at this move. So no, never ever came down. It's a 5 minute chart, no problem. So last 1 hour, from this 1.5 hour, it was keep on going higher and higher, and finally it was closed higher. Small correction, may it continues the trend, maybe or may not be. But this kind of movement where we find out, this is what the movement where we find out here the big chances to make profit and a quick profit. Hope you got it. That is what a quick profit where I made from that BHEL, where I should take entry at nearby here, and within a 15 minutes it went up to and hit upper circuit. That is a 10% upper circuit. And this is the one stock, and another one 𝐶𝐻, that is also looks like that. Just look this, a great move. Oh, great. So not all the stocks moves like this, but some stocks moves like this in a straight way. But let's look at this previous stock. So going down, flat, again down, up, flat, down, zigzag. But today, see the big move, the straight forward move, the 45-degree angle. So look at this. This we can easily find out by Chartink scanner. That I'm going to show you, going to provide you this thing. I show you how many stocks that we try to create it first, and I will show you what are the stocks which is standing in the top. So I'll create the scanner. Wait, I'm not showing you the scanner right now, so just wait. So I will share you the scanner, no problem. Okay, so open. Searching for the scanner. Wait. Look at these stocks. Can you see these stocks? The first stock is around BHEL, and the second is L&T Housing Finance. Third one is RBL, Crompton, United Spirits. Let's look at this chart of BHEL is the first one, where you can see the BHEL movement looks like this. Just keep on going higher and higher and higher, right? The second stock which we are finding out, L&T Housing Finance. I know what you are asking about is when to share this scanner, right? That's what your question. But first understand what was the logic behind the trade. That is how to find out a 45-degree first. So, and RBL Crompton. RBL we cannot able to trade because of it was in a ban period. So this that is what the trade is looks like this, up and down, up and down. But if you are checking from the today's opening, it's a straight move only. If you are drawing a line, it is a straight move. From this was the opening, and you can see that there is a big straight move on RBL Bank. And another stock which we are going to focus it out, Crompton Greaves, United Spirit, India Housing. Crompton Greaves. Look this. Crompton Greaves, 𝐴𝐵 Housing Finance. That was yesterday. We see the stock by Hammer, and today maybe continue the trend. Yes, from beginning that was started. It's a momentum. From here it went up to 45-degree, and almost 142 is the today's close price. We seen on daily basis almost that Hammer. Yes, this was a Hammer around 7 rupees risk. and almost your 7 rupees, more than 7 rupees is got, more than 10 12 rupees is generated the profit. So this is what hammer candle we seen 2 days back on our previous video, and after this it went higher. Hope you are interested to know about this scanner, right? I'll show you the scanner. This is what the scanner. I think one line scanner will help you to make 95-degree stocks. 95-degree stocks, that means degree, no, 95 degree, sorry, 45-degree stocks. It looks like a straight move. Got it? So here what I used, the buyer initiated average trade quantity is greater than seller initiated average trade quantity. Nothing about. More buy, less sell. Simple concept where you cannot able to find out anywhere such a kind of scanner, because we cannot get buyer initiated quantities and seller initiated quantities in a real time. It is required a lot of software, and this may be those who are watching this video, you may be getting this good chances scanner. So let's go to this, will go up. So what it means, buyer initiated trade quantity, that is a trades happen in buy side. Buy trades is greater than sell trades, or average quantity. So average quantity means total number of selling quantity, average total number of buying quantity, average. Here in this, buying quantity is higher compared to selling quantity. So simple logic we are going to find out from that, the huge buying happening on that particular stock, may it move towards the uptrend or quick move while it started. You may check around 9:15 to 9:30 this time the scanner. After that, those who are stocks in the standing in the top, you can focus the stocks for a trade. You may be getting some good profit on intraday. I hope you understand what was that logic which I have discussed here. That is what the main conditions where we can focusing it for. If you are following this strategy, may it give you some good profit on daily basis. So you can apply, those who are attend my class around that intraday scalping class, you can use this scanner. And let me go for a selling side. Open, let us open price be greater than the close price. Here seller initiated trade quantity, seller initiated trade average quantity is greater than the buyer initiated average quantity. This will find out selling stock. If you are focusing for a selling stock, may go for Coromandel, Lupin, Nippon. So today market is positive, but even though these stocks are negative, performed negative, let me go for a third one. Let me try it out. Coromandel, let's check it out. Coromandel. It's a live market. I'm recording it out. Coromandel. Yes. Oh, in 5-minute chart. Not moving lower. Okay, no problem. Second one is Lupin. Lupin. Let's look at this Lupin from here. Today market is almost 70 point, almost 0.4% positive. Let's look at this chart of Lupin, how it is performed. So minus 45 degree, na? This is what trending stock. We can find out the scanner. I hope this scanner may be useful to those who are joined on my YouTube. This scanner for my 8K subscriber special, you can make use of it. Even I can modify the scanner. So I still have not saved the scanner. I'm going to save the scanner straight to find out the 45 degree stocks. Then make use of the scanner and try it on live market. Would be the best opportunity. I hope this may be useful video. Thank you for watching. And if you are not subscribed my channel,
Kindly subscribe it. Thank you so much.